Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello bakers! In this video I will explain how to make delicious buttercream frosting. First, gather your essential ingredients. 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 3 to 4 cups of sifted powdered sugar, 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. It is crucial that your butter is at room temperature, ideally around 65 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal mixing. Also, remember to sift your powdered sugar to avoid any unwanted lumps in your final frosting. The first key step is creaming your butter. Place your 1 cup of softened unsalted butter into a stand mixer with a paddle attachment. Beat it on medium-high speed for about 5 to 7 minutes. You will notice the butter transforming from a yellowish color to a much lighter, almost white shade. This process incorporates air, which is essential for creating that wonderfully light and fluffy texture we all love in buttercream. Now it is time to add the sweetness. With your mixer on low speed, gradually add the 3 to 4 cups of sifted powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, to the creamed butter. This slow addition prevents a messy sugar cloud. Once incorporated, increase the speed to medium until well combined. Then, mix in 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1 to 2 tablespoons of heavy cream for flavor and initial consistency. Finally, whip the entire mixture on medium speed for another 3 to 5 minutes until your buttercream is wonderfully light, smooth, and fluffy. Remember to stop and scrape down the sides of your bowl frequently to ensure everything is fully incorporated. If your frosting is too thin, add a little more powdered sugar, about 1/4 cup at a time. If it is too thick, add a half teaspoon of heavy cream until you reach your desired consistency. Enjoy your perfect buttercream.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.